Let's talk about applause and appreciation. Regarding that, deal with people from whom you can learn. Basically, learning is one of the most important part of our life, and we are limited by time and resources. So you have only enough time to learn about few topics. Okay, so it's better to have friends whom you can consider a teacher, friend, family, stranger, and philosophers whom you can consider as friend, whom you can talk about deep thoughts, raw thoughts. You don't need filter. You don't need masks to talk to them. Of course, you need teachers and professors who are found in universities and schools, but you also need teacher in everyday life, in every aspect of your life. So learn from your parents, friends, your surrounding, and even personalities who are master in their field, and to extend even to strangers also. Like many of us learn a lot of things from movies like Wilson and many other simple things. The concept of Sisyphus, basically being in company with friends and other people whom you consider as teacher, not in literal term, but you learn from them day after day something here and there, and it provides you with two kinds of pleasure. First, you understand how to appreciate and applause for the knowledge and art they possess in their respective fields. Second, you get audience whom you can share your own ideas. In response, they can correct you. It's a feedback loop which helps you to understand things more clearly and make everything around you and in your personal life a little better. It's basically the responses you get, which is pure investigative thought process. And because you asked a very important question, it is not easy to answer in a random thought process. You need to divide the topic into the segments and think about each of them, investigate them, cross out them, choose from one of them, and then find to a conclusion. Most of the times, we don't choose our friend. We choose, but it's basically a very small set of domain in which you choose. Basically, if you are in a school, your most of the friends will be from school. If you are college, they will be college friends, and they some of them carry on in your future life. That's okay, but choosing friends just based on interest isn't that healthy, isn't that helpful. It's healthy but not helpful. But making friends for the pursuit of learning, which goes both way, heightens the greatness, conscience, and individuality. It refines you. In summary, and do listen to this very carefully, it's a house of no negative thoughts or negative judgment, and pure learning and unbiased judgment. I'm nowhere saying that judgment is wrong. Judgment is good, but it should be on a rational base. It should be on a reasoning. And coming to second part, the pure learning. Pure learning comes from the original thought. Original thought, basically, you are not saying things to convince people. You are not saying things to win an argument. You are saying things because you feel that, you think that. You are not putting mask, you are not putting filter against it. And finally, if you have people around you who are focused on learning, you are blessed. You will understand this sooner or later, but it will be very helpful for you. All you need to do is just seek that opportunity, have that conversation which you want to have. Don't hold back. That's all. Thank you, and do subscribe.